We are here with the managerial accountant for Wonka Industries. So tell us, what do you do on a daily basis?
Hi, thank you for having me. So basically, I am in charge of the Economic Order Quantity Department, also known as EOQ. And to sum it up for you, I use the EOQ model to determine exactly how much inventory to order for a specific timeline under basic assumptions. The formula may look complicated, but I will explain it to you. So to determine the EOQ, you must take the demand in units for a specific period, multiplied by the ordering cost per purchases, and then you multiply that by 2 before you divide it by the carrying cost of 1 unit in stock for the same time period used for the demand. Finally, to finish the equation, you take the square root of that, and then you get your number. And now you know exactly how much you need to order.
That's very interesting. I noticed you mentioned there are specific assumptions when you make decisions on how much to order. Could you give us a few of these assumptions?
Absolutely. So the first assumption is that the cost to order these units are kept constant. The delivery time is also kept constant. And then the 3 variables used in the equation that I mentioned earlier, the demand, ordering cost, and the carrying cost, are always certain. And finally, one last basic assumption is that there is no stockout cost occurring.
Awesome stuff. Now last question. Many viewers and people like me do not have a great understanding of managerial accounting such as yourself, so we are unaware of the vocabulary. Would you be able to explain what stockout costs are?
Of course. Stockout costs are for lost income and expenses that occur when we have a shortage of inventory. So for example, if a customer wants to place an order, but there's no products in inventory, the company loses in that revenue related to that sale. Another example is when a company needs inventory for a production run and it's not available, they will incur cost to get that inventory on such short notice.
That is all the time we have, folks. Thank you again, Evan, for your time.
Thanks for having me.